Hi ladies and gentlemen, so today I'm opposite Lotus Puchong. I came here to try this Nasi Kandar. Restaurant Siong, Nasi Kandar. Yeah, Nasi Kandar usually you see is Indian Muslim, right? It's a Chinese person actually manning this store, so let's have a try. I heard the Nasi Kandar here is a must try. Okay. Oh wow, so it's a lot of people already. Queue. So that's the store there. Here on queue. So that's where they fry their stuff. Oh ，auntie，那个饭一般就够了。啊，一般够了啊，没有这样多。对对，我要吃料多一点。啊，第一次来这边，什么好吃？啊，那个最好了哦，不要想这样多了。OK 啦，什么都 try 啦。
Masih 3 ayam 1 saja.
Kari campur ah.
Ya bos.
Terima kasih bos.
Oke bos.
Dia tak biasa makannya dia.
Tak pernah makan. Ini ayam besar, ini ayam kecil.
Ayam kecil lah.
Ayam kecil.
Dada.
Dada.
Ah.
Okey. Kambing mau?
Kambing try lah.
Try. Okey, kambing sedap juga.
Aunty cakap semua bagus.
Semua
Semua
bagus.
hantam lah.
Ya, semua bagus. Kasih 2 keping try lah.
Okey. Itu apa? Ini
Telur goreng.
Oh, betul.
Okey ya, bos.
Boleh cukup lah.
Ini ayam kecil dua mana? Tambah potong lah.
Sudah bayar tadi.
Okey, bos.
Kecil, besar.
16. Ini 16.
Boleh. So here's what I got. Auntie said everything also good, so must try. This is the egg here, and I got a fried chicken, got a breast part, and they actually serve the nasi kandar, right? Is usually they put the curry first. You can mix any curry. I choose to mix everything, and just one side here is the cabbage. Usually what I will do is I will take the mandi and cabbage. But today I just took the egg because I took this. I need to try the mutton curry. Mutton curry, very hard to get right one. So let's try. This one also. So let me try and see how it tastes like. So let's try this nasi kandar out. First, of course, this is how it looks like. And need to put some chicken on top of it. Chicken. Okay, this is really good. The spices, right, strong, but it's not spicy. It's not spicy. It's very nice, just nice. So this is the mutton. This is always the highlight to me. A good mutton is hard to find. Very good mutton curry. Oh, good. Mutton has no smell, tender, and it's good. Okay lah. So come to Nasi restaurant Kokyong Nasi Kandar. It's in Puchong. I'll leave the address down below for you to check out this place. Time to get back to lunch. Bye bye.